What is going on YouTube? Jeff Weibel here. I'm back with another property little quick tour. This is one of my rental properties in Chatham, Ontario, and you can see here always install in-suite laundry for that extra rent. Nobody wants to go down and give me their coins, even though good YouTubers have those videos about collecting coins. But what's better is $100 more a month in rent because of that, not $2, $3, $4. Pro tip there. And make sure you have a dishwasher. And yes, we always furnish. This is not Airbnb. This means people can come, bring their laptop, their suitcase, and move right in and pay us, again, a higher rent because it's furnished. And this attracts, this one we made kind of an office. If they wanted a bed, we can get them the bed. But it attracts higher paying tenants that come to towns for a reason. And I call it the hybrid Airbnb approach, and it's been working for us. So check out these other videos, and we will see you guys on my next video. Bye.